Every time I'm in the street, I hear.
Before we get started, here are the brushes I'll be using in today's tutorial. To import your QR code, go onto ibispaint, click brushes, then click the three dots in the upper right corner, select import brush, and then import your QR code. After that, you'll successfully import the QR code. Import your character and create a new layer behind your OC. Choose Felt Tip Pen Soft. For the colour, you want to pick your base colour but a slightly lighter shade. Next, you're going to create the shape of the afro. When making the shape of the afro, don't do it as a singular circle. Make sure there are bumps and curves. Just make sure that there's a load of volume to work with. Create a new layer on top of your OC. Then you're going to do the same you did at the back, just at the front of the forehead. Just fill it all in. Choose Fade Watercolor Mix and make the colour a darker colour. Around the edges of the hair, you're just going to want to make some splotches, just make it more fluffy. Then with the rest of your hair, you're just going to fill it in as normal. Basically this part is just a bunch of splodges around the hair, it doesn't need to be neat. Create a new layer and turn the colour into a lighter colour. Just do the same as you did before, just a few splodges. I prefer doing it at the front, this is just for lighting. And then you can turn the opacity down. Next we're going to draw the inner curls. Lighten up the colour, decrease the size of the brush and create a new layer. For this you're just going to want to create the small circular oval kind of shape for the curls. For this, again, it doesn't need to be neat, however this is what I consider one of the most important part of actually doing the afro. It's forming the curls and making sure that, well, you can tell that it's an afro, that it's curly. You also want to do the curls on the edge of the hair and some blotches inside the hair, like on the scalp and slightly at the bottom. This is just a friendly reminder, if there's anything that you need to fix or you want to adjust, do not be afraid to do so. The whole thing does not have to be perfect, just make sure it's as nice as you want it to be. Change your brush to coily hair and create a new layer. Turn the colour into the base colour or the main colour that's on your hair. Now we're going to be drawing strands of hair. Now compared to straight hair, you're not going to be creating straight strands, you want to make them curly. The point of creating 4C hair is to show the curls. Make sure that they're small and tight together. 4C hair isn't loose, it's very tight curls. And that's it for today's tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed it, interact the best you can. Your interactions help keep this channel alive. If you have any suggestions or anything you want to see in my videos, don't forget to comment and I'll do my best to get to you. That's all from me. Have a good day. Love you. Bye.